is a beautiful day out here, and we're gonna be touring this beautiful home. Just want to give a shout out and thank you to Kelly Brandt, who's the listing agent, and thank you to Creative Homes for allowing us to come tour this beautiful home. Let's go take a look inside. As you walk into the house here, right over on the left side, there's an office area here. This is a really nice, spacious office area where you can put your desk, do whatever you want. This would be your trophy room. And I really love the natural light coming in. It really brightens up the room and makes it feel really warm and cozy. As we continue into the house here, we walk right into the family room over on my right hand side here. Big spacious area over the fireplace. You could go ahead and put your TV, pictures, beautiful windows, bringing in lots of natural light into the room. And then also over here we have the dining area, chandelier. We have a back door for the patio. And then as we come over to this side, here we get the kitchen with the big beautiful island in the middle. Got lights right above, got a standalone sink on this side. And then we have stainless steel appliances everywhere. White cabinetry, marble top, stove, microwave. Come take a look at this corner drawer here. You can get really creative with how you utilize that space in the back. I just really like this door right here. Big stainless steel fridge. And as you continue from the kitchen over to this area, you have your den, little reading nook over here, very spacious. And one detail that I really like is that here in these outlets, they've included outlets with a USB port where you can easily charge all of your devices. And we also have connectors for internet and Wi-Fi. And walking towards this way, we have the bathroom on the main level. And then we got the door to the garage, got a closet over here. Now let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. Coming up the stairs here, we have a beautiful loft, wide open and spacious as well, just like all the other rooms. Lots of light coming in. That's one thing you're gonna notice about this home is that there's gonna be lots of big windows and bringing in natural light into the room. And to my left over here, this is gonna be your laundry room. As you can see, we have connections for the washer and the dryer. Everything's ready to go. Ready for you to bring in your favorite appliances into this room. Lots of space for more cabinetry, storage, anything you might need in here. Also, you could even put a countertop somewhere along here. Really great space, really good use. And then coming over here to this side of the house, we have the primary bedroom, and this is the walk-in closet. And as you can see, there's a lot of space in here. And I think even if you wanted, you could put a twin bed in here and it'll still work. And coming out to the main part of the primary bedroom, lots of space here. Again, lots of natural light coming into the room. You could fit a king-size bed perfectly and still have your two nightstands on the side. And then you also have the primary bathroom. Here we have dual sinks. We also have a shower and a standalone tub. And again, even in this room here, you can see that there's still a lot of natural light coming into the room. It really brightens up the entire room and brightens up the whole house. Coming to this side over here, and then we have another bedroom over here, very spacious as well. Usually you'll see, one or two small windows, but this has 3 sections of giant windows to bring in that natural light into the room. And then right over here, you got this closet as well. Lots of storage, very spacious to fit all the clothes and anything else that you need in here. Now let's take a walk over this way. Here we have the upper level bathroom. I'm really liking all these finishes here. Nice nickel finish on all the fixtures. And then we have a third bedroom here. Again, with that beautiful sunlight coming in. Closet here, right next to us here. This one's just about the same size as that one right there. It looks like it's flipped. Once again, big open windows, natural light coming through, spacious closets, perfect for lots of storage. Now let's go ahead and take a look downstairs where we'll see another bedroom, flex room, and also the secondary family room. As we walk down the stairs to the lower level here, we have a nice big open area. You also have the sliding doors for your walkout. And again, I know I probably said this a lot, but beautiful giant windows bringing in all that natural light into the room here. We have the lower level bedroom. We also have the utility room and a bathroom here. Again, this is a nice size bedroom. This is about the same size as the other bedrooms upstairs as well. This one is also equipped with closet. And across the hall here, we have the lower level bathroom with just the shower. And this is a really nice shower as well. It's big doors, really clean. That's one thing you're going to notice about this home. Here on the other side, this could be a great room for you to set up as your workout room, maybe a gaming room, maybe a movie theater. There's no windows, so it gets really dark in here. So it's perfect for you to bring in your ideas of whatever you want to do with this room. So that is it for the tour today. If you want more information, go ahead and follow me on Facebook. That's gonna be the easiest way to contact me. And we can also set up a schedule for you to come check out this house as well. Make sure you follow me through the links in the description down below. And if you enjoyed this tour, let me know. I'll go ahead and do more of these videos for you guys. If you guys really enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in today. We'll catch you on the next one.